It's your girl Kara.
And Quay.
And
Kara.
And we back with another mother freaking video. Today, not tomorrow.
Any other day, but today.
Today. But we're coming with y'all, to y'all, with some different. We're gonna be trying turkey snacks, and we also gonna try like snacks from another country, probably once a month. If y'all like that, let me know. If y'all, yeah. If y'all like that, let me know. If y'all want to see us try snacks from another country,
let me know.
Let us know. Let me know.
No, but for real. But just to start the video out, we do not have nothing against Turkey. There is no hate from anyone from that country. Nothing about the heritage.
Facts. We just trying to
try it. We do not know how to pronounce these things. We barely know how to pronounce regular words. So we are very friendly people, so please don't start that drama.
We just trying it out. If we like it, we like it. If we don't, we just don't.
To bring you all a different type of content, which is what we said we would do. We would not keep doing the same things over and over and over again.
Oh, my hand's ashy. But that's fine though. So
to the video.
It's how many things they said? I think it's 12 things up in here, up in this little little box. Oh wait. Here you go. They packed this good little box. 12 things up in here.
Take them out.
Y'all ain't gonna be able to see for real. But we just gonna show them. Like what we gonna start with?
I don't know, take it out.
Take it all out?
Yeah. Take it out.
Okay, look girl.
Take it out.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna try if I'm gonna see it.
Alright.
Anyways,
we finna try it.
all this stuff is on this paper.
I hope this stuff good. I ain't even gonna cap on this little thing. Some of these actually look like they busted. These pretzels. Y'all can't see it. We're gonna find a different little setting for y'all so y'all can see everything we do.
You put your finger on the paper and go back and forth till I say stop.
Or just do this.
No, I said go back and forth until I say stop. Stop. Alright, so we're gonna try the pizza crackers.
We got the pizza crackers.
I see that. These.
Yeah. Got them. And it gonna cap y'all. We've been a little under the weather. I'm still like got something going on. I ain't too sick. Just think it's sinus or something.
We got a lot of sodium in here.
Dang. 340. Ooh. Just gotta eat one. I said one cracker per bag. It's good.
I was gonna put my nose in the bag and smell everything. They was gonna be like, ew, she put her nose in there. She put boogers in there. No, I didn't.
I can't even really smell this because I'm congested.
It smell like Gargettos. Y'all know what Gargettos is at the gas station. The thing with the little rye bread in it. Y'all know
this what it look like if you could see it.
It look like a fidget spinner.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
I can't take like the Italian Gargetto. That's turkey, you're fine.
Let me get 2 of these, baby.
Piece of cracker.
Y'all.
Piece of cracker.
I mess with these. Excuse my ashy hand. But, baby.
Turkey.
These nice.
We forgot to tell y'all what it's called. These called Turkish munchies.
These ones? Oh, you talking about the little thing? Oh, yeah. Here you go, right here.
Turkish munchies.
Right here.
I was going to tell y'all about who, but...
These busting.
Okay. Gone now. They gonna talk about you in them comments. Like you ain't ate today or something.
I did.
Well,
Alright, it's your turn. Do your finger cross the.
they rude.
Anyway, what the
Okay. You're not supposed to look.
Stop. The cake thing. Oh, okay. You saying supposed to look? Okay.
Right. Tell me to stop. Tell me to stop. Tell me to stop. Tell me to stop.
Stop.
A cat tag. Cat tag.
They got the little
We
bar
at the
over
big
here.
hound, big house with the cat tag. Cat.
Hold on, let me turn
It's
this
a cat
thing off for
tag.
y'all. So y'all can see it.
Y'all play too much.
It's called a cat.
Cat, tat, rat,
Bro, yeah. I couldn't take the thing all the way on.
But you showed them.
Yeah.
She showed
The
you.
name.
It looked like.
I showed them the name.
Let's see what it's saying.
What is that? What's that girl?
Kakulu Fendiki. That's not funny.
The cat tat.
Calculo Fendiki. Kamala Milfoy. Puff pastry with hazelnut cream.
Alright, let me open this.
It's a Danish.
Let me
Open it then. I'm hungry.
She's talking about it's a Danish. Let me show you the cat tat one more time. The cat tat.
Cat. I'm gonna go get that tatted on me.
The cat tat. This would have looked like, guys. One moment. I don't know. I'll open it like this, but this is what the cat tat. The tat whack cat look like.
The wet cat tat. You see it?
Yeah.
My little naked.
The cat wet tat wet.
You know, it
Everybody
remind me
together.
of.
Alright, y'all. Once again, we got interrupted, but we still on the cat tat wet. I'm at the cat tat. Yeah, with the reptile lifestyle. Tap.
Y'all hear that? I don't know if they heard that.
This bitch crunchy.
It's flaky.
Ooh.
Cara, you gonna have them? Oh, we didn't tell them what we in.
Ooh.
Let me see for y'all.
Ooh. It's
flaky.
Stuff. Cat tat wet, and then a cat tat.
The cat tat, rat-a-tat. Let's see.
We're not telling them that stuff.
We did for the other one. We already did it, girl. So we could do it.
No.
Yes.
We're gonna make this video super long.
No, it's not. We didn't tell them everything. I was looking for the thing, what I looked for in the other one. Because it's chocolate. I was trying to see how much sugar and stuff there.
No. Okay.
Because American snacks, you know they be loaded with stuff.
Okay, tell them.
Nope, I ain't telling them.
But none of the shit I want to tell y'all.
No.
What tell her?
It smell good. Taste
What's it smell like?
Smell it.
What's it smell like? Huh? What does it smell like?
Just give me communion,
What it was?
Yo, that's like so flaky.
What can we doing shit? I don't know how this shit tastes. On that Kit Kat, yeah. No, but y'all. That been bad.
It's actually good. Let me stop saying this because it's not shit. Okay? That's not nice.
Yeah, this little Kit Kat tat.
If you give it to your kids, make sure you put them in the kitchen on the floor with some newspaper. Okay? Like
really good.
No, just me. But they definitely
This
need
what
to
it
sit
look
at
like.
the table or something. That's good.
Yeah, that boy busting. All these crumbs. Okay, I might just go back shopping just for me.
Oh,
Just for me. Forget a video. I need some more.
Alright, come on. Your turn again.
I need some more. Some more of that Kit Tat Tat rat.
Stop.
Yeah.
It is the Alpella Gen 3. Alpella Gen 3.
It's like
It's
white.
like a white chocolate wafer. Like
Ooh. You think it's a wafer? Like, well, because it kind of look like it, but
It
do you
does
think it
look
tastes
like
like it?
I don't know. We shall see.
We shall see. But do you guys think it tastes like? Huh? 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 Yeah, when we get unsick, we're gonna be back on her goofy. Goofy. Y'all, go watch my TikTok when I tell y'all.
Y'all got peanut allergies because this contains peanuts, almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. Sorry for y'all.
But
Especially
when I
if
tell
it
y'all,
tastes good. It look good. Turkey, y'all get down
when I
like
tell
this.
y'all
Why
my
y'all
TikTok,
didn't
go
tell
check it
us?
out.
Girl. But why would they not tell us? Y'all, don't be telling us something. They have to smell every little thing. I smell all my food.
Show it to them. Everybody.
This is what it look like. It look good.
Ew. You like white stuff?
I'm gonna bite it. You gotta find something else.
On turkey, no. Give me some. What?
Bro, you always doing stuff. Bite it. It wasn't even that hard. No, boy.
On shorty, this acapella
That's
good.
better. That, huh?
This acapella.
Alpella there.
Yeah. That. It's so good.
Is you crying? Bro, she got tears in her eyes. Oh my
Turkey.
God. You need to get you an auntie down there.
Turkey.
Come.
Okay, well, no, what you say? You look. We both looking.
Come on.
Oh wait.
Come on.
STOP. Oh wow. You got the Pikachu. You got the Pikachu.
It's a Tarsin
We got this.
Havoc. If you know how to say it.
They gonna comment it. We still ain't gonna be able to read it, right?
Why would you say that?
But y'all comment to the.
Why would you say that?
Put the comment down and tell us how to say the. Ooh, what the? What the?
I'm gonna cry.
What the fuck is this? What is this? They just sit over here.
Bro, what's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? And you still got tears in your eyes. You licked it.
I'm sorry. Shit, it's not bad, but it'll choke you. It'll choke you.
Oh my God.
Damn, they could have left a little milk and stuff in there. Put a little herb.
Yo. Come on now. Y'all could have put any cake in her. Any cake.
I don't even taste like carrot for real, babe.
Anything you want to put in here, you could.
You say you get a little piece, you don't need to choke you. Yeah, Yeah, see? I'm a day. So I'm not with the rest. But yeah, this is the Pikachu you. But that was the Pikachu you. So it's my turn. She looking. Tell me where to stop. Why are you looking at me while you drink that water?
P-O-T-S. You still going? P-O-T-S.
What that spell?
Stop backwards.
That spell pots.
That's stop backwards.
Spell it one more time.
P-O-T-S.
Pots.
Alright. It's a key fence. K-fiance.
What's in here?
Key fiance. A key fiance bar. It's a key fiance bar. It is a chocolate coated roll wafer. Best if used by November 16th.
Woo! What y'all think this thing like? Huh? Open it first. We ain't gonna look. You can't look. You looking at the
Yeah, bro.
It's your turn. Cause you opened the last one.
Y'all see it be her. I be trying to be nice and cordial.
Teach me how to love you.
Y'all think if I say like this, my hoe or bro?
Teach me a way to surrender my heart.
Probably not.
Girl, I'm so It's the wafer, the roll wafer for me. Oh, this one we got right here. This one we're working with.
What is you looking at?
I don't know how to break this, but
Back up.
Huh?
I break my own.
I'm trying to do some of that.
Come on.
Taste it first.
That's something in there. So just.
Why does it smell like that?
No.
It smell like foils and coils.
When you put it in your mouth, just expect this weird little.
See my friends in Turkey, we was doing some this key fence.
It feels like
be a fence, whichever one.
when you put it in your mouth, it feels like chocolate filled. It's like Pop Rocks inside of chocolate or something.
I ain't even gonna cap. I ain't even messing with this.
The chocolate is good, like the chocolate itself.
No,
Well, they
not.
could have kept the Pop Rocks to
The
this.
chocolate don't need, it tastes different. Well, of course it's gonna probably taste different, but
It tastes like the rest of the chocolate we've been eating.
it got some in there. Well, of course it got something in there, but hey.
Bro.
Damn. This almost beat me up on my little shirt.
Cara.
Beat back. Boo, boo, boo.
We had waves when we started this video.
Nah, I ain't got. Okay.
Uncle Carl.
We still going the back and forth, or could we just try?
We should have X'd them out.
Huh?
Try. We did enough chocolate. Yeah, do them.
Alright, so yeah,
What's
we're gonna be done going back and forth. We're gonna try these nutcrackers. I mean
No,
these
cubic crackers.
Yeah.
But
I'm pretty sure these supposed to be like they pretzels or something. That's what I would assume. They
pretzel sticks. Then I tell you, take out that trash.
go sit your little bed in there. Shit. Tell that to send me my $5.
I ain't gonna tell you no more. Take that trash out.
Home.
When I ask for my money, I better see my money.
Oh yeah, these. We're gonna turn that up, trying to get us copyright. But these, they little pretzel things. And they alright.
Don't jump on my case. They taste a little burnt. They taste like it got a little burn on it.
Alright, we've been doing all chocolate.
Tastes like it got a little burn on it.
What these is?
No, it's my turn, and I said try this.
No, I just asked what they. Girl, try it. Try it. Show it to them. Show it.
I want to try the sin. I got enough film to me already.
But my hands in the way fat
Give me
man
it.
at. What
Yes.
that is?
It is. Hold on, wait, let me see. That don't sound right. Y'all sure?
What that is? What
A
is
biscuit with orange sauce.
it? What type of sauce you like in there?
A biscuit with orange sauce. Why y'all put chocolate on top of orange stuff?
Sprinkles at that.
How you open this? Why would y'all put no space in here? Why would they do it?
Look here, so.
How we gonna open it?
Babe, you
We
see
don't
them
eat it
little,
out, we gonna give it to
you see them little things right there? Just rip it down.
I tried. Cletus.
Yeah. Give it here.
I'm gonna do it.
They paper just a little tough.
I was gonna do it. But maybe if we had the paper they had. Got us paying for paper when we go to the city.
Get a piece of biscuit.
Biscuit.
Frisco biscuit.
Why they call this a sin and then call
Ooh, it almost fell. She called it. She
and
called
call the other
biscuit.
thing a piece of cracker? This the pizza on the cracker.
Pizza on the cracker, yeah. Why you trying to give me hair? I don't want this.
Yeah. I'm already saying no. You know the little, it smelled like the little chocolate.
I ain't even sure.
No, for real. What are you doing? You know the little chocolate boxes, and they be having a chocolate cover like thing.
Hold on now. Don't motherfucker discriminate them motherfucking piece of biscuit.
It's not even a piece of biscuit. It's a sin.
Piece of biscuit. Biscuit piece. You gonna taste a little orange taste, but it ain't that. I'm outside. Crispy cubic crackers.
Yeah,
What these is? What's
Let's go to
the
the
hell?
next thing.
Spicy stick crackers with natural and artificial flavors. Jalapeno. Hold on. The biscuit. Huh?
I'm just
Look at that.
I'm just really glad they got varieties for them people so they can have different
You gotta see that.
to like.
It's cute. It's cute. It is beautiful.
Bro.
Come back.
Turkey. We was friends. We was friends.
Come on, baby, so we can try that there.
I had high hopes. It smelled like the pizza things.
Yeah, Jiggy.
They're not hot. They kind of taste like the pizza thing on the stick.
Want to do it? Want to do it? Want to do it? Y'all, these decent though.
Alright, on to the next.
These decent. We got 4 more things. And what's this? We finna try this. What this is? What this is? Tell me.
What you say?
Hey, friends.
This is also
You can open that one.
white chocolate coated roll wafer with cream
We got 3 more, y'all.
and coconut.
That thing ain't what that said now. That thing ain't what that said at all.
Gara, I wish you would like not be so quick to react to stuff. What is you looking at?
I'm trying to see. Y'all seen that? Ooh.
Y'all want to see a trick? A magic trick?
What? No, don't do that. No, y'all not ready. Not ready.
Do you want to see a magic trick?
Alright, that should be enough, baby.
Do you want to see a magic trick?
Why that look like that? Show them that.
This is coconut. It's coconut, cream nut.
Oh, yes, sir. She said she, what? You like that?
What?
She said she like cream nut.
No, I didn't.
Why stick to your hand though?
I'm not a big fan of coconut flakes, so. Y'all heard that?
Okay. Damn, I'm in my mouth yet.
Okay, we're back. We're back.
They thought we went somewhere. I was whispering. This look like it's gonna be the good one. I'm gonna say that last.
I hope it's nasty and it stink.
Baby, come here. Come here, baby. Get over here. Come on.
I want to try. I want to try this one.
That one sound like it's good.
The Harvey by a pillow. The Harvey by a pillow. What the Harvey is, y'all, is a milk chocolate coated caramel biscuit with natural and artificial. What the? Artificial.
I'll be the statue. I'll be the statue.
Just try to keep it good. I bet you don't do nothing but taste like that thing in this room.
What the? That's not.
They feeling in the world. What they say?
You can bite it first.
This is it.
Yeah, I need some more tattoos, no cap. Huh? Ooh, that's not caramel. That's not caramel at all. Let's bust into some. Let's bust into some.
I like the caramel and the chocolate. I don't like the wafer. I mean, it say it don't expire till October.
She said it's still. Yeah, this alright.
I just need a new wafer, that's all.
Get you some turkey-ish. Hold on, turkey has got a. All right. All this stuff that's breaking open. What is this?
You didn't even tell them which one that was.
Oh yeah.
I'm finna tell them.
It's the Nasty Max.
Huh?
Nutty Max. Ooh.
Huh?
It's like Nutty Max.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Put that on there. That's a Nutty Max. It's like a little. Let me see.
That's not even on her.
Hazelnut caramel filled wafer and natural artificial flavor.
Okay, I'm just saying it's not on her.
It ain't on there?
Mm-mm.
It's a chop.
You sure you should even eat that? It's not on her.
It's a chop.
It might be Corona.
This.
I'm stop playing with you. But no, it's not on her.
Did they give us one free snack?
You ordered it. Let me see what it is though.
Ooh, dang. Anyways, this what it look like. Is that the Findus?
It's a hazelnut cream filled wafer with natural and artificial flavors.
That what it look like though. Let me see. Hold on. Let me look at my brochure. I'm trying to see what they gave us. Yeah, they gave us that the Nutty Max wafer. Nutty Max. Nutty Max. Let me show y'all. Nutty Max here.
Bite it.
It grew bugs on my finger.
Girl, that's...
I'm just like...
Y'all. Let me see.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get your ass up and get it.
We too lazy. You could lift your hand up here.
She ate damn near the whole thing. She ain't see if I want to smoke. Fuck you.
It got peanuts.
Fuck you. I ain't allergic. Look how much of the thing left. Put it down. Like we say, the piece of everything else, put it down.
Said a piece.
Last night, huh?
You always talking stuff.
Last but not least, don't want it.
Don't want it, karma. No.
Want it. So, let me tell you. This one is milk chocolate coated in corn and wheat caramel with caramel cream. Yeah. Yeah.
Friends.
Yeah. Mary.
We do this because we got our friends.
This was the glabablet, ain't it?
Huh? They look what?
They gave us this.
It look what?
This glabablet, lady. We got this, y'all, for the wanted. Oh, snap. Let me see. The wanted.
Y'all.
As y'all can see, she just took my candy. I was trying to explain that it's decent. She took it. I don't want that little bit. You need to quit playing me, y'all. But that there wraps up the video. No cap. This ain't no promo or nothing, but dang.
Somebody else try it.
Yeah.
When you try it, let us know. Go try it.
Go ahead over there and try y'all some
decent,
turkey snacks. This
was good. That was good.
I say out of like 13 snacks because they put us the extra one in there. Majority of them, like stuff like 2 was good. So yeah, if we liked it, we know y'all to like it. Peace out, gang. Bye, y'all.